Question number 1. Know the function of supervised learning.
Sharp thinking. Reinforcement learning is the right choice. Question number 2. When the number of features increases, dash. Solid response. All of the above is a valid choice.
Question number 3. Identify the person by their face or voice. You got it. Your choice supervised learning is right. Question number 4. What type of learning uses a small data set? Great thinking. Supervised learning is the right choice.
Question number 5. Which of the following is not a form of I? Correct response. Human biology is the most accurate answer. Question number 6. Which one is not a common type of learning?
Excellent choice. Supervision is the right answer. Question number 7. Machine learning for classification. Except. Nice work. You chose k-means and it is correct.
Question number 8. Identify the successful applications of MEL.
Strong choice. All the above is the right answer. Question number 9. What does the L stand for in ML model? Great job. Machine learning is the accurate answer.
Question number 10. Inductive learning involves finding a dash. You chose consistent hypothesis, and it is correct. Question number 11. No is parte del flujo de machine learning. Perfect. Aggregation de datos is the correct choice. Question number 12. Machine learning is an application of dash.
Correct. Artificial intelligence is the right answer.
Question number 13. Dash is a feedback-based learning method.
You're right. Reinforcement learning is the correct answer.
Question number 14. What are the machine learning subfields? On track. Supervised and unsupervised learning is the correct answer.
Question number 15. The partitioning node split the data into. Good thinking. Training set and test set is the right answer.
Question number 16. What is bias in a machine learning model?
Clear logic. Your choice A type of error from erroneous assumptions is sound and 100% true.
Question number 17. Which situation is unsupervised learning?
Right again. Detecting unusual behavior in credit card use is a valid answer.
Question number 18. Regression is a case of which type of MEL? Well done. Supervised is the right choice. Question number 19. What is one type of supervised learning? Right choice. Capture is the best answer. Question number 20. Regression is included in the algorithm. Nice selection. Supervised learning is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 21. Which type of learning uses clustering?
Excellent. Unsupervised learning is a brilliant choice.
Question number 22. Dash not a machine learning algorithm.
Good job. Your answer SVG works well here. Question number 23. Who is the father of machine learning?
Bravo. Geoffrey Everest Hinton is the answer.
Question number 24. What is the error in machine learning? Well picked. The difference between actual and predicted output is the correct answer.
Question number 25. No es un subgrupo de machine learning.
Smart move. Programmation linguistica is an accurate answer.
Question number 26. Linear models are dash learning models.
Exactly. Geometric makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 27. Machine learning fourth step is called.
Smart pick. Training the model is the correct choice.
Question number 28. Features of machine learning are dash.
Well reasoned. All of the above is the correct choice.
Question number 29. It is not a deep learning framework.
Valid point. Sinboard is true.
Question number 30. Machine learning means learning from.
Nicely done. Data is a solid answer.
Question number 31. Machine learning is a subset of dash.
Clear logic. Your choice, artificial intelligence, is sound and 100% true.
Question number 32. Machine learning works based on dash.
Right choice. Algorithm is the best answer.
Question number 33. It is an element of deep learning.
Right again. Convolved neural networks is a valid answer.
Question number 34. One-step learning is the example of.
Great job. Linear regression is the accurate answer.
Question number 35. TensorFlow library is popular for.
Nice work. You chose deep learning, and it is correct.
Question number 36. Automated vehicle is an example of.
Well reasoned. Supervised learning is the correct choice.
Question number 37. One way machine learning works is.
Excellent. Data exploration is a brilliant choice.
Question number 38. Seven father of machine learning.
You chose Geoffrey Everest Hinton, and it is correct.
Question number 39. Mangapa machine learning painting.
Good job. Your answer Karina Sulit Menemukan Pola pada data yang berdimensi bizarre works well here.
Question number 40. How does machine learning happen?
Exactly. All of the above makes sense, and it is right choice.
Question number 41. Linear regression is part of dash.
Great thinking. Supervised learning is the right choice. Question number 42. Reinforcement learning is a dash. Well done. Feedback-based learning technique is the right choice.
Question number 43. In an unsupervised learning dash.
Nicely done. Specific output values are not given is a solid answer.
Question number 44. Who developed Teachable Machine?
Perfect. Google is the correct choice.
Question number 45. What is artificial intelligence?
Correct response. Making a machine intelligent is the most accurate answer.
Question number 46. Feature learning is also known as.
Smart move. Representation learning is an accurate answer.
Question number 47. Dash is computationally complex.
Valid point. Unsupervised learning is true.
Question number 48. Machine is able to train dash.
Correct. Structured datasets is the right answer.
Question number 49. The goal of machine learning is.
You got it? Your choice, generalize patterns in data, is right.
Question number 50. Teachable machine was made by.
On track. Google is the correct answer.
Question number 51. What is unsupervised learning?
Nice selection. Neither feature nor number of groups is known as the correct and valid answer.
Question number 52. Who created the moral machine?
Excellent choice. MIT is the right answer.
Question number 53. What stage is the training at?
Solid response. Learning stage is a valid choice.
Question number 54. Analysis of MEL algorithm needs.
Smart pick. Both A and B is the correct choice.
Question number 55. A machine will learn from dash.
Sharp thinking. Sensors is the right choice.
Question number 56. Machine learning is dash field.
Strong choice. Multidisciplinary is the right answer.
Question number 57. Identify object using camera.
Well picked. Supervised learning is the correct answer.
Question number 58. The Q learning algorithm is a...
Bravo. Reinforcement learning algorithm is the answer.
Question number 59. Conjugation machine learning.
You're right. Mezen Yang Depat Belajar Dilady is the correct answer.
Question number 60. Logistic regression is dash.
Good thinking. Supervised machine learning algorithm is the right answer.
Question number 61. K means algorithm is a dash.
On track. Unsupervised learning algorithm is the correct answer.
Question number 62. What is A machine learning?
Well reasoned. Teaching a robot is the correct choice.
Question number 63. Supervised learning given.
Valid point. Input data plus desired output is true.
Question number 64. Play a game of tic-tac-toe.
Great thinking. Reinforcement learning is the right choice.
Question number 65. It is not a learning model.
Correct. Homoscedasticity is the right answer.
Question number 66. The K means algorithm is a...
Well picked. Unsupervised learning algorithm is the correct answer.
Question number 67. NumPy package is used for.
You got it. Your choice handling multi-dimensional arrays is right.
Question number 68. Lazy learning methods are?
Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer.
Question number 69. Clustering is included in?
You're right. Unsupervised learning is the correct answer.
Question number 70. What does VM stand for?
You chose support vector machine, and it is correct.
Question number 71. Regression is a type of.
Good job. Your answer supervised learning works well here.
Question number 72. Easier learning methods?
Exactly. Radial basis functions make sense and it is right choice.
Question number 73. And is related to dash.
Strong choice. Deep learning is the right answer.
Question number 74. Can is dash algorithm.
Nice work. You chose non-parametric and lazy learning and it is correct.
Question number 75. An example of I is.
Smart pick. A and B are correct is the correct choice.
Question number 76. What is learning?
Good thinking. Improved performance with experiences is the right answer.
Question number 77. Algorithm is dash.
Perfect. A computational procedure that takes input and produces output is the correct choice.
Question number 78. Play chess game.
Excellent choice. Reinforcement learning is the right answer.
Question number 79. What is MEL?
Solid response. Machine language is a valid choice.
Question number 80. Sklearn is a
Excellent. Machine learning library is a brilliant choice.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Nicely done. Contact Narayan Changda is a solid answer.